how would you like to have that job? Probably pays pretty good. That is Adam. Forgot his last name, but he is one of the very few people who can do this kind of work with the help of a genie crane.
That's some cool stuff.
Very cool.
I want to go up.
I kind of do.
I love heights. I want to go.
I kind of want a thrill. I want a little bit of an adrenaline.
When they were building my house, the guy that was in charge of all their earth movement, he had the big huge
The big dogs.
excavator, and
Yeah.
when they were done, and I said to him,
So he is currently working on the trim of those two things, whatever they're called. Some historian I am. But yeah, he's gonna be, I guess, sanding some of that woodwork and just making it look a little bit more polished, just without the paint. Really the idea is to keep it original as possible, and I'm glad they are doing it instead of making it all shiny and modern. So very impressive.
Yeah.
Kevin, wow.
Absolutely.
Would you go up there and, you know, for $30 an
I
hour?
was gonna say it's called hazard pay.
Hey, you too. See you, bud. Yeah, it's getting the attention of everybody walking by. Pretty cool stuff. And it's a pretty decent height. I'm not sure how high that is, but I would say probably at least 50 plus feet. Well, that's it. I really just wanted to get some footage of this. Pretty cool to see. Have a great day, everybody.